Hello, welcome to episode 5 of Real People, Real Routine. So, whom do we have today? For sure, I'm a little bit intimidated by this guest. So, yeah, let's get to them. Oh my god, so I'm really intimidated now.
Yeah.
Well, hi, hello.
Hello.
So, yeah, this is Rakshita. So, let her introduce herself.
Yeah. This is Rakshita Gorwar. I'm a rhythmic gymnast and I am a karate player. I'm a fitness influencer. Recently, I've started my account and I'm a fitness coach. And yeah, I'm a dancer too. That's my hobby.
Well, yeah, all packed up in one body. So, yeah, let's start.
Yes,
Oh, walk us through. Like, what are we doing today?
So today we'll do some mobility stretchings. I will tell you what is the difference between mobility and flexibility. So many people don't know about it. They're very less aware of it. Then I will teach you that, and then you guys will also learn.
Okay.
And then we'll do some gymnastics. Like I will teach you cartwheel, handstand, and all. Let's see. Okay. And then we'll do some. We'll combine core and flexibility exercises, which you have never seen before. I will teach you those exercises, and then I will teach you some resistance band exercises.
Okay, sure.
And yeah, we'll start.
Yes. So, I think I'm gonna be dead. Flexibility, mobility.
Yeah.
Okay, let's start. So,
Okay.
before that, let me ask you.
Yeah.
What made you come into this field?
Oh my god, that is like one big story. See, I was not that kid. You know, not that kid in the sense I was very average, not interested in anything. Even in studies also, I was very average. In sports also, my father almost lost hopes on me. Like I don't think she will do anything in her life, like that kind of. Then I don't know. And then I used to jump here and there, do cartwheel, do handstand in home. And then my dad, no, I will put you in sport. Then he took me and we went to gymnastic class. And then first day when I saw people doing gymnastics, I told my dad,
I'm gonna do this.
Yeah, I'm gonna do this. I will do this. And then I went. And my karate sir actually, he called my dad, and he said, this girl will never do karate. She's doing dance in karate class. That was like one very funny, compliment and also complaint, because I never, I never had that interest in doing something fight like this, but more in gymnastics, contemporary, style, dance.
So
and
wherever the person will come and attack you, you'll be like, split.
yeah, something like that. Yeah, it was always like that.
Okay.
And yeah, but I'm a professional karate player also. I have a national medal in karate competition. I've gone to this national level. And then I did gymnastics. I'm a national medalist in gymnastics also.
Okay.
I'm a national player. Yeah.
Sure. Let's start. So we are starting with the foam roller.
Foam roller. Yeah. This is like very basic and very important recovery tool. All the athletes use this before they start their workout or their training, and this is very important. This releases your tight muscles, helps recover faster after your workout. Yeah. And then change. And then this is my favorite. Okay, this is my personal thing. Every time I finish my workout, every time I start my workout, I do this. This is like my one favorite. I feel so relaxed.
Oh my god, yeah, it is.
And then little bit go up and your lower back, okay? And then relax.
Bruh.
Yeah. So I really, suggest everybody after workout, before workout, do this. This is really relaxing. Mainly for women who is in fitness, into fitness, should do this. Doing this while doing this, you will relax your back and your lower back. And when you are on periods also, you do this. This is like best exercise. This is my personal, I found it. I feel like that. Yeah, I've never seen this exercise anybody doing. In videos also, I've seen so many videos. I've never seen somebody doing this, relaxing like this. I personally like it a lot. And then in gymnastics, we do a lot of back flexibility exercises. So we do these stretches also before we start our training. Okay.
what if someone pushes the roller on your back? That is better, right?
Yeah, like that, no? Like you sleep.
Yes.
That will not affect that much.
Okay.
So when you're sleeping and doing, the full body weight is on the roller, then roller will push.
Push
And
you
then
up.
you go,
Uh-huh.
then that muscle will, work according like that.
Okay.
So
got
when you keep it and you roll it, there's no pressure.
Mhm.
There's no pressure. If somebody is doing, so basically you're telling like this, no?
Yes.
There's no pressure and the muscle which are tight will not release for your training.
Got it.
So then you have to go back and put all your weight on the roller, then do the roll, and that is more effective.
Then
This.
this.
Yeah. So we are done with roller. We'll start with some mild stretches. Okay. We'll do some mild stretches. Mild stretches are very important.
Okay.
If you're doing gym, if you're an athlete, anything, do mild stretches before you start your workout. So like this, and then hold. Yeah, and inside. Go. Then other leg. Down. And then with this, open your leg.
It's okay.
And then down.
I can't push more. 2, 1, go.
Get up. Right. Then. And then this is like little difficult, but try.
Okay, we'll try.
So, little bit inside. Yeah. Then go. 1, 2.
I'm doing this.
Yeah. Okay. So
Yes.
some cobra stretches. And then toes up and lift your knees up and look back. Okay, now child pose and relax for some time. And relax. Yeah, we are done with mild stretches.
So, just one doubt, okay? While doing this, why did we place our toes? Why can't we do this? What's the difference between?
So when we are
Both.
doing this, this will concentrate on lower back.
Yes.
This will give more pressure on lower back for further workouts.
Okay.
So less risk of injury.
less risk of injury.
Injuries, yeah,
Okay.
less risk. After workout, I suggest not to do this more stretch wala exercise. Normal stretch, what we did, we kept the toes like this and we did.
Just like, static kind of. This is dynamic kind
This
of
is
stretches.
dynamic,
Yes,
yeah.
yes, got it.
That is more pressure. Like isolated.
Yes.
We can call it isolated
active.
flexibility.
Yes.
Dynamic and static are both the same. The thing I was doing before cobra stretch, that was same. This is isolated because we are giving more pressure on the body is in already stretching position, and we are giving more pressure on it by lifting our toes like
Toes.
So that will be isolated active flexibility.
Okay.
So we can call it that.
Okay, got it.
After workout, I would not suggest anybody do this because that is more pressure.
So we just have to do this, like, simple yet effective kind of.
Stretches. Then we'll do some split exercises. Then go down. Then relax. And slowly try to do the split. Come on. Don't sit on your one. Try to keep your tummy on one leg like this and straight. And shoulders straight.
Okay.
Always. So when you do this, this will affect your back and your hamstring also. So turn your leg, inner thigh, put it on the floor. It's okay. You don't have to sit like full on the floor. You can just stretch. You can just stay here. If you want to achieve full split, keep your always make sure your shoulders are straight in one single line, and your tummy is on your leg like this, and then look straight. And wherever it is hurting, so I think you are now stopping here. I think it's hurting.
Yeah.
Stay there for 1 minute and
Okay.
hold. Every day, do this, and then one day you will
Achieve
definitely
that.
achieve it.
Okay.
So, and then we'll do some middle split.
Hmm.
This is for side split.
Okay.
And we'll do
Middle split.
So, we'll do. Okay. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and hold. And give more pressure to this leg.
Okay.
Then your
The whole
inner
quad
thigh
section
will go down.
Okay.
And
Yes.
always keep your body straight
Okay.
and look up, chin up, and shoulder straight. And then slowly try to go down and hold.
This is the last I can go.
Yeah, just hold, Okay, relax. And then, if you're already in fitness, into your fitness, you're doing it already. So, I will tell you some advanced
Yes.
stretchings. So just stand like this, open your knees like this, and then go down. Very good, and hold.
Okay.
This sumo squat
Yes, sumo
position,
squat.
and then hold.
Okay.
This is very good for women also.
Yeah.
Every day, if they're doing, very
It's
nice.
very good.
Yeah, and then you go down, stretch, and then down, stretch. Try to touch your hip to your heels, and then touch, then touch. And touch. Okay, relax. So, and hold. This is called mobility.
Okay.
The stretching and you're holding it. So this is mobility.
Okay.
This is flexibility. So this is flexibility.
Okay. Hmm.
You understood the
Yes,
difference
yes,
between
yes.
the mobility and stretching? Flexibility.
Flexibility.
So mobility is your joints.
Yes.
So basically your knee joints.
How
Your-
flexible? Like how
You will
active and
how you will balance the
Ah.
flexibility is called mobility.
mobility.
Like so this is flexibility, for example. This is flexibility.
Yes. This is flexibility.
Okay. And this is mobility. So yeah, here. This is mobility.
Okay.
So you're balancing the flexibility. You have the flexibility, you're
Yes.
balancing it.
That is
called
mobility.
Mobility.
Good.
That is the difference between mobility and
And
flexibility.
flexibility.
So, okay. We're done.
Yes.
And we'll do some skipping. Okay?
Yes. We'll drink water.
Yeah.
Stay hydrated. I think most of my guests forget that I am like new to whatever sports is. Stay hydrated. So yeah, I have a question that like I'm into fitness. I'm into basic fitness and like everyday lifestyle kind of fitness.
Okay.
And your profession is this.
Yeah.
So while like drinking water and doing the gymnastic, does it, ultimately be a positive or a negative impact on whatever you're doing?
No, actually. So we are doing running. It's a high intensity interval training.
Yes.
Running or some intensity training if you are doing. Right after doing the exercise, if we drink, that will affect. Leave like 2 minutes, relax, sit down, drink water, and then continue. That will not affect.
Okay.
Anyways, but right after the exercise, don't drink water.
Yes.
That is what.
So in between,
If you want water, if you're doing stretching and all, that's fine.
but
Only
workouts.
like high intensity in HIIT we are doing. If we are doing that, then no drinking water right after the exercise. But after some time,
We can do.
you can drink.
Sure.
Stretching,